In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can send your live location to someone on WhatsApp. You can simply share your current location on WhatsApp in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. Select this chat right here. If you wish to share your current location, just tap on this plus icon right here. Then select the option of location. WhatsApp will access your current location. If you are having trouble with WhatsApp not accessing your current location, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of WhatsApp. In the location tab, allow the app to access your location by marking on always. It's the last option right here. Then get back and tap on share live location. Choose the period of time you accept to be in this location. You can also add any caption of your own choice. Tap on send and your current location will get shared successfully. When shared, they will know where exactly you are at a given period of time. That's how easy it is to share your current location on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.